Good afternoon, Ms. Rivas. This is James here at Mizell Ford, and as promised, I'm sending you the video of the 2007 Chevy Silverado. Check it out. It's a very beautiful vehicle. It's pretty clean too. I like this one. Very nice grille. Tires with a nice tread on it. Custom wheels. Take a look at the interior. Interior is immaculate, beautiful. Let's walk around to the back. It does have this one ding right here. Let's take a look in the back seat. Like I stated before, very clean, very well maintained. Once again, Ms. Rivas, this is a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado. It's right here at Mizell Ford, waiting for you to pick her up. Have a nice day.